Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another, and today I'm at Old Iron Days in Kansas. Making brooms?
Yes, sir. Now, the one in it, I'm trying to get it just as big as I want it to be. Take your broom corn. Try to match up the ends, smooth it out like this. Then you use your foot to twist it around. See, you got a big hole right there. Take my strap off so you can see what I'm supposed to be doing. Make a couple of rounds to make sure I got what I want. It's good, big enough. Then I take my corn knife and I cut these tails off. Smooth out some of these rough corners here, just to go a little bit, so the rest of it don't stick so bad. But you don't have to do this, but it's a little easier. Then I'll run the wire back down to the handle, take a couple of rounds, then I'm ready to put my finish layer on, and I think I'll use this red. I got green, but you stick it in the water to soften up the ends, because if you don't, your wire will cut it.
Yeah.
You don't have to leave it in there very long. Is about as thin as you can get it, but you still gotta hide all of your corners, all your tails and stuff. Now to do this takes about an hour from start to finish. This one's being sewed.
Okay.
You take your needle and your thread and you make a couple of just loops around, then you go over one side, under the other side. Pull her snug and tight. Then you just go back and forth. You go back through the same spot you come out of. then it's just you got back and forth.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. You guys have a great day.